A man who was reportedly a person of interest in a case of murder was shot and killed after he allegedly challenged a police party in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning. He has been identified as Daniel Farquharson, otherwise called Fry Eye, 26-year-old of Socaba Garden, Old Harbour. It is reported that around 6 a.m. police team from St. Catherine South Division went to Socaba Garden on a targeted raid. Farquharson allegedly fired on the police from a house. He was challenged by the police and was hit. The police say he was found clutching a Glock pistol which was loaded with several rounds. Farquharson and a woman who was also in the house and suffered a gunshot injury to the leg during the incident were taken to the hospital where Farquharson died and the woman was admitted. The Independent Commission of Investigations has launched a probe into the matter. A stolen firearm is reportedly at the center of the murders of two brothers and their cousin, which occurred on Chisholm Avenue, St. Andrew on Saturday morning. Residents and police have revealed that 3 men who were shot dead by gunmen were being told to return or pay for a firearm which another family member had stolen almost 2 years ago. Gunmen posing as cops murdered 3 men in the wee hours of the morning. They were identified as 28-year-old Mason Alex Orlando Ricketts, 31-year-old, Nava Ricketts, also a Mason, and Ricardo Dwight Henry, otherwise called Rasta, a 48-year-old delivery man. The deceased were all from 69 Chisholm Avenue in Kingston 13. The Ricketts were brothers and Henry was their cousin, the police said. Observer online understand that the now deceased men had a family member who stole a firearm about 2 years ago. That family member was killed, but the weapon was never returned. Since then, residents and police have said gunmen have been harassing the now deceased men over the missing firearm, requesting that they return one or pay for the weapon.